Dear viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. The first question is, the currency euro is used by Germany, option A, option B, Brazil, option C, Thailand, option D, China. The right option is answer A, Germany. Next question is, what is the currency of Australia? Option A, dollar, option B, pound, C, rand, D, peso. Answer A, dollar. Next question is, which country uses the rand? A, South Africa, B, Egypt, C, Mexico, D, Argentina. Answer is A, South Africa. Next question is, the currency of China is A, yuan, B, yuan, C, won, D, baht. Answer A, yuan. Next question is, what is the currency of Pakistan? A option, rupee, B option, Riyal, C option, dirham, D option, dollar. Answer A, rupee. Next question, currency of Switzerland is option A, Swiss dollar, option B, Swiss franc, option C, euro, option D, pound. Answer B, Swiss franc. Next question is, what is the currency of Brazil? A option peso, B option real, C option acordo, and D option dollar. Answer B, real. So the next question is, which country uses dirham? A option UAE, B option Bangladesh, C option Nepal, and D option Iran. Answer A, UAE. UAE answer here. Next question is,